Hi, today we're gonna make something real simple. We're gonna cook Chinese barbecue pork riblet. The barbecue sauce we're gonna use is Chinese barbecue sauce called char siu sauce. Okay, so this is pork riblet we're gonna use like that. It's 2 pounds here. Put it in here, and we have to marinate them probably at least an hour or overnight. See. So this is about 2 pounds of the riblet, and this is the sauce. And 1 pound you're supposed to put 3 tablespoons of sauce in 1 pound. So this 2 pounds, so I put six tablespoons of sauce in it. 1, 2. Okay, it's six tablespoons of sauce here. So we just mix them up so they can get evenly on it. So just mix them up. Just mix them together like that. Make sure they kind of cover the whole thing. Okay. So we're gonna leave it for maybe an hour or two. Then we'll come back to cook it. Hi. The ribs already like over an hour, 1 hour. We're gonna baking it. So we're gonna using just a regular toaster oven like for baking. We don't need the big one. So we put that in a pan, just like that. Okay, then after that we're gonna put some the leftover sauce on top. So we're gonna put that in the oven. We'll have to be preheat like 375 degrees. Like that. Then bake it for 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Okay, so we come back for it. Okay, this is already 15 minutes. You're gonna turn them over and for the other 15 minutes. See like that? And we just flip them over. Like that. Flip them over. See, like that. Alright, then this already flip them over. Then we're going to keep it for other 15 minutes. Okay, so we come back for it. Okay, it's already 15 minutes, then we're going to take it out. See like that? Then now we're going to brush some honey on top. Brush on it. Okay, then we're gonna cook it for other 2 minutes, and you can watch it if the brown is okay. Otherwise, you can cook it a little bit longer to brown it up a little bit more. Okay, so we put it on 2 minutes. So right there. Okay, this is about a few minutes already. So if you don't see that brown enough, you can cook it longer, but I think now it should be okay. And then we pick it up, okay? So total it's probably around 32, 33 minutes. This is a Chinese barbecue pork riblet.